Hey, it's Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. This is not financial advice, but when I find stuff kind of interesting, I feel like I have to share it. Right here, we're looking at a chart. It said periods when to make money, years in which panics have occurred and will occur again. From my understanding, this was created over 100 years ago, and it's been pretty accurate. When you're looking at this chart here, um, you've got A, which are the years in which panics have occurred, and then of course there's been a downturn, and then you have C or B, years of good times, high prices, and the time to sell stocks and values of all kinds, which seems to happen a lot. And then C, the years of hard times, low prices, a good time to buy stocks, and corner lots, goods, etc. Hold, the boom reaches the years of good times, then unload. So, in general, when you're looking at this seems to correlate with a lot of events like the Great Depression and stuff like that. And then, of course, when you're looking at recent times, you have 2019. When it came to COVID, we had a dip, but when the government bandaged everything with money, it seemed like we had a boost. So there's it's not a perfect science, but if you're looking at what's happening right now, it shows with the inflation, the Federal Reserve just said they're planning on one more interest rate hike. My guess is once they stop these interest rate hikes, 2023, of course, and then start lowering interest rates, we're going to go right back into this cycle and people are going to start investing again and doing things again. Of course, I don't have to explain to you what happens when um, they start inflating the price of everything. Unfortunately, the government doesn't seem to get it. But this is Samuel Benner. He put this all down on paper and it was published 1875. He's recorded this cycle. It goes to 2053. Maybe the world's going to end after that. Who knows? But it's pretty interesting when you're looking at this because what do you think about it? Comment below. Let me know what you think about the Benner cycle. Are we going to have a good year ending 2023? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think is going to happen in 2024? Keep in mind, this is counting the end of 2023. So 2024, supposed to be turning around, and particularly to this, which kind of makes sense if you ask me. But what are your thoughts? Comment below.